This instruction applies with all the band from Kaleidoc that comes with this small black tool. First, open your band. Please make sure to align the needle with the hole of the band. The side of a hole is totally different from the other side. Turn the knob counterclockwise to make it hold the band. Put the band in the tool. Then turn the knob clockwise to push the pin in the band. Remember to hold the band on the tool with thumb while you turn the knob. The other side of the band is correctly aligned with the slot of the tool. The pin outlet aligns with the slot rather than being stopped by the tool. If it is difficult to turn, please stop turning. That means the needle is not in the hole or the pin is blocked on the other side. Pick the pin with fingers. Install the band. Insert the smaller side of the pin into the hole. Press the projecting pin with the tool. Finished. If the needle is broken or bent, there are 2 replacement needles in the bottom of the tool. Open the cover and you will see. Please plug the broken needle with the pliers. Then insert the new needle by hand. Use the pliers to make it more tightly connected. finished.